A typical advisor's office would be using multiple types of applications to perform their business. So you can envision a proposal system, a customer relationship management system, a portfolio management system, and a trading system. All of those applications have their own separate data repositories. And if you need to consolidate that data for reporting purposes or any other, you would need to extract data from each of them. So a typical use of the information from those different systems would be to create a report for their clients, for instance. So you could envision that data would have to be extracted from the customer relationship management system for perhaps the address of the customer and the name of the customer. Also the trading system that you'd want to put on that report. Also, portfolio management system will have the investment performance information that you'd want to put in there. And there's probably a manual process as well to add market commentary, for instance. All of that has to be consolidated into a single report from those various systems, and that's a manual process. When there's a reporting period, which may be on a monthly or a quarterly boundary, collecting all of the data for the various client reports that you have to create is a time-consuming process. Consolidating data from different systems for reporting introduces risk, and that's a risk of making an error and extracting that data or collating it into a single repository. So it also introduces an opportunity for, in some cases, for the data to be changed or manipulated by the advisor. And that's something that a compliance department does not want to allow to happen. They want to control the data from its source system to the report for the client. An advisor's primary responsibility is to help their client be invested in the best way they can, to be a good steward of their wealth. Any time spent assembling a report, especially if it's from various systems that he's using in his office, is really not his highest and best purpose.